Hey juicers, it's Ren. Bug bites are annoying. They're itchy, puffy, and can often get irritated or even infected. But there's an easy way to relieve nasty bug bites with the power of baking soda. When a bug bites you, its saliva gets underneath your skin, causing your body to defend against the foreign substance. Your body sends lymphocytes, a type of white blood cell, to break down and destroy the saliva. All the cells piling together in a concentrated area is what causes your skin to become red and swollen. Baking soda is a mild alkaline substance, meaning it is excellent at breaking down dirt, grease, and any other substances that shouldn't be on your body. So all you need to do is take a bit of baking soda, mix it with some water until it becomes a paste, then rub the paste on your skin and let it dry. The mixture breaks down any saliva left by the bug on your skin, causing the itchiness and the redness to go away much faster. And because the baking soda mixture clears away the bug bite so quickly, it greatly reduces the risk of infection. And that's the juice.